Well, hello craft critters and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be making our own matte slime. So the first step is to pour about 2.5 tablespoons of glue. You can alter this and I'll leave the link in the description as to where I got this glue. It was really cheap and it was for 5 litres. Then I went in and added 4 pumps of soap, and this makes your slime a lot more fluffy and a lot more self-inflating. Now you're going to add some paint, and I've made mine brown because I wanted it to look like a really thick chocolate cake batter, and you can add scent now if you want. Mix that all together until the colour is evenly contributed. Let me know in the comments down below whether you like my speaking videos or my music backgrounded videos, if that's a word, and I'd like to hear your thoughts, so comment down below. Now you want to add some corn flour, and about the same amount you did glue, so 2.5 tablespoons. Mix this in well, and you want it to have a thick icing-like consistency. Now once you've done that, if you're using contact lens solution as your activator, it's a great alternative to borax. You're going to need some bicarbonate of soda, so I added about a pinch and a half, like a decent sized pinch, and that's what activates your slime. Then you want to go in with your contact lens solution. This is from Home Bargains, and you want to add about 1 teaspoon at a time, half a teaspoon at a time, just like a decent squirt until your slime forms. So you can see it forming and getting stretchier, and you just want to keep going in and stirring well in between each time you add your contact lens solution. Once you feel your slime is ready, go and take it out and play with it, and you can see. But don't worry if it feels like you've overactivated it, that's what happens with matte slime. So you just have to keep kneading it, and then yeah, it will get stretchier the more you do that. So now your slime should look like this once it's done, and you want to knead it until you have got a right consistency for you. So just keep doing that, and there is no right or wrong answer as to how thick or thin or how overactivated or underactivated you would like your slime. So here you can just see it spreads really nicely. And now for the shout out. So this shout out goes to Mina's DIY corner. And basically she posts these DIYs that they're so cool, and she deserves way more subscribers, so go and check her out and let her know that I sent you. So at the end of the day, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye!